as I have taken AB positive numbers, therefore for geometric mean we have to consider the positive value. Mth term is equal to A plus m minus 1 into d. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Good morning, welcome to btosacademy, welcome to my maths class. Today, first I shall quote Pranam Mantra of Sri Sri Ramakrishna Dev. Actually, today is the birth anniversary, rather in Bengali, জন্ম তিথি। ঠাকুর শ্রী শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ দেবের আজকে জন্মতিথি, সেজন্য ঠাকুরের প্রণাম মন্ত্রটা বলতে চাই। ওম স্থাপকায় চ ধর্মস্য সর্বধর্ম স্বরূপিণী অবতার বরিষ্ঠায় রামকৃষ্ণায় তে নমঃ। ছাত্রছাত্রী, ভিউয়ার, spectator, students, don't think that I am going to say something about religion. Actually, I like Thakur Sri Sri Ramakrishna because he preached that joto mot toto পথ। ঈশ্বরকে পাওয়ার জন্য যারা আধ্যাত্মিক মার্গে ঈশ্বরকে পাওয়ার জন্য বিভিন্ন পথ আছে। That is why I like him. এবার মা শারদাকে আরেকটু স্মরণ করে নিই। ওম জননীং শারদাং দেবী রামকৃষ্ণ জগৎগুরু পাদপদ্মে তয় সিদ্ধা প্রণমামি মুহুর্মুহুঃ। Now I am going to start today's matter. In the first part, I shall start or I shall discuss about HP, though I have mentioned earlier, then infinite geometric series. First part, HP. In short, harmonic progression HP. We define harmonic progression in this way. If ABC dot 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 are in harmonic progression, then they are reciprocals. That is 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C dot 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 will be in AP. So, if A, B, C are in HP, then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. Therefore, we can apply now different laws of AP. We know if three numbers be in AP, then difference of second from first will be equal to difference of third from second. Therefore, we can write after simplification Therefore, we can deduce this result if H be the harmonic mean between A and B, then 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B are in A. Therefore, 2 by H is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. We simplify this. From that, H is equal to 2AB by A plus B. Therefore, harmonic mean of AB will be this one. It will be better if you memorize this result. Next, how to find the nth term of harmonic progression. If the corresponding APB A plus D, A plus 2D, then nth term is A plus n minus 1 whole into D. Already we have discussed in arithmetic progression. Therefore, nth term of the harmonic progression, already I have written HP, no need of writing progression. Harmonic progression will be 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. In this case, terms of the HP will be where HP is 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, dot dot dot. Now, I am going to discuss the relations among capital A, capital G and capital H. Where capital A is the arithmetic mean AM in short, capital G is the geometric mean and H is the harmonic mean of two, say, positive numbers A, though I have discussed already relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean, I am repeating that. Since A, B are two positive numbers, therefore AM is equal to average A plus B by 2. GM is equal to root over AB. As I have taken AB positive numbers, therefore for geometric mean we have to consider the positive value, and HM is equal to 2AB by A plus B. Already I have reduced that. Now I am going to find the relation among AM, GM and HM. Now root A minus root B whole square, that will be equal to A plus B minus 2 root over AB, or A plus B minus 2 root over AB, that is greater than equal to 0. Square number, since root A minus root B whole square, that is a perfect square, and already we know that perfect square is greater than or equal to 0. I mentioned that. Now from this what we get, or A plus B greater than equal to 2 root over AB, or A plus B by 2 greater than equal to root over AB, and this is AM, this is GM, therefore AM is greater than equal to GM. We have to mention here equality holds. If A equal to B. Now I call this as number 1. Next, about GM and HM. I start. First I calculate G minus H and see whether that is positive. G minus H whole square. G means geometric mean. Geometric mean in short written as G, and harmonic mean in short it is written as H. We calculate. G means root over AB minus 2AB by A plus B. We take root over AB outside the bracket, then it will be AB 1 minus 2 root over AB by A plus B, and this is now square of G minus H whole square. We see this expression. Now this is perfect square, therefore we can easily say this will be actually whole to the power 4. Actually A plus B minus 2 root over AB, that is equal to root A minus root B whole square, and there is square, therefore it will be whole to the power 4. Therefore this is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore G minus H greater than or equal to 0. From that G greater than or equal to H when A not equal to B, A positive, B positive, then G greater than H. Actually when A, B are unequal, of course both positive, then G will be greater than H, and if A, B, B equal both positive, then G will be equal to H. Combining those two, we conclude G greater than or equal to H. Now we call this as number 2. Then combining these two, here we have deduced A greater than Gm, and from 2 G greater than or equal to Gn greater than or equal to Hn. Combining 1 and 2, A greater than or equal to G greater than or equal to H. Therefore we get this relation first, then we can deduce another relation. I call that relation 2. What we have got? Arithmetic A equal to A plus B by 2. Geometric mean root over AB, and harmonic mean that is equal to 2AB by a plus b. Therefore, if we start from this, h is equal to 2, ab means root ab whole square and a plus b. Now a plus b, from this we get 2ab, that means, and this is root over ab, therefore this is g square and a plus b 2a, then 2 will be cancelled, 2's are cancelled, therefore finally we get g square equal to ah. This is also another relation, g square equal to ah. Thus we have deduced two relations. In the first case, a is greater than equal to g, this is the first one, greater than equal to h, and g square equal to h. Now I am working out few sums on harmonic progression. I have taken the first sum. In a AHP, fifth term is this one, seventh term is 4 by 5. We have to find T10. Already I have mentioned that while you are going to work out sums on HP, first you mention the relation with the corresponding AP. Then you apply the idea of AP. Now, fifth term 12 by 11, seventh term 4 by 5. First we take corresponding AP. Let corresponding, note the term, corresponding AP B A plus D, A plus 2D. Therefore, T5 is equal to A plus 4D, T7 is equal to A plus 6D. These are in AP. Then 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus 3D, dot 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 will be in H. Therefore, as per condition, one by A plus 4D, that is equal to 12 by 11, and 1 by A plus 6D, that is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, we get the equation A plus 4D is equal to 11 by 12, and from it A plus 6D is equal to 5 by 4. Now, we shall solve for A and D. For that, I take this as 1, equation 1, this is equation 2. Now, 2 minus 1, 2D, that is equal to 5 by 4 minus 11 by 12, 12, 15 minus 11, 4 by 12. Therefore, D equal to, I cancel 1 by 6. That means common difference of the corresponding AP is 1 by 6. Putting this value, D equal to 1 by 6 in 1, A plus 4 into 1 by 6 is equal to 11 by 12, or A equal to 11 by 12 minus 2 by 3, 12, 11 minus 8, 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. Thus, therefore, A is equal to 1 by 4, D equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, 10th term of the corresponding AP. Therefore, 10th term of the corresponding AP is A plus 9D 1 by 4 plus 9 into 1 by 6, 4, 1 plus 6, 7 by 4. Therefore, T10 is equal to reciprocal of that 4 by 7. Next sum for a HP, mth term is m and nth term is m. We have to find m plus nth term. Starting is like this. Let the corresponding AP be A plus D, A plus 2D. Therefore, mth term is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, as per sum, 1 by A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to n, and 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A. From this, we get A plus m minus 1 whole into D is equal to 1 by A, and from this, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to n. Thus, we have got two equations where A and D are variables. We solve for A and D. One minus 2. I subtract equation 2 from 1, then A plus we subtract here minus D if we multiply, and here also minus D, but there is negative sign before that. Therefore, those D's will be cancelled. I write MD minus MD, therefore M minus 1, n minus n whole into d equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n, that is equal to m minus n by mn. Let me check. A plus n minus, ठीक. Okay, this one md minus nd, I have taken d common factor, 1 by m. Therefore d is equal to m. N are unequal, therefore d will be equal to 1 by m. Since I mentioned here m not equal to n, therefore got the value of the common difference d, putting d is equal to 1 by mn in 1 a plus m minus 1 into 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. From that, a equal to 1 by a minus m minus 1 whole by mn. We simplify here. Mn LCM, m minus m plus 1. Therefore, a equal to 1 by mn. Thus, we have got the values of a and d. We have to find Tmn. Now, m plus nth term of the corresponding AP is a plus m plus n minus 1 whole into d. Try to remember or try to recall that formula. Nth term of the AP having first term a and common difference d, which is a plus within brackets n minus 1 whole into d. I have applied that one. Now we put the values of a and d. 1 by mn plus m plus n minus 1, d is also 1 by mn. Therefore, result will be 1 plus m plus n minus 1 m plus n by mn. Therefore, m plus nth term of the corresponding AP will be this one. Therefore, m plus nth term of the HP is reciprocal of this one. That means mn by m plus n. This sum is finished. Next sum for a HP. Pth term is x, qth term is y, rth term is z. We have to prove this relation. Let the corresponding AP be a plus d, a plus 2d. Therefore, pth term is equal to a plus p minus 1 d qth term a plus q minus 1 d rth term a plus therefore as per condition reciprocal of this will be in HP. That means pth term of the HP will be 1 by this, pqth term of the HP will be 1 by this one, and rth term will be 1 by this. Therefore 1 by a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to x, 1 by a plus q minus 1 whole into d is equal to y, 1 by a plus r minus 1 whole into d will be equal to z. Therefore, we get three equations: a plus p minus 1 whole into d is equal to 1 by x, a plus q minus 1 whole into d will be equal to 1 by y, a plus r minus 1 whole into d will be equal to 1 by z. Now, if we take the difference of 2 of out of these 3, then we shall get q minus r minus p minus q. First I take this is 1, 2 and 3. Sorry. To get first q minus r, now 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, that means I am subtracting 3 from 2, a's will be cancelled, then d's will also be cancelled, only there will be qd minus rd. qd minus rd, that is equal to 1 by y minus 1 by z. q minus r is equal to 1 by d within brackets 1 by y minus 1 by z. Then to get r minus p, I subtract 1 from 3. 3 minus 1. Similarly, we can follow the pattern q minus r, then y, z are there. Then for r minus p, 1 by d into 1 by z minus 1 by x. Students have suggested to calculate this one yourself. Then 1 minus 2, we shall get p minus q, 1 by d, 1 by x minus 1 by y. Actually, I use first one, and after that you can use the process of similarity and write down this. Now, I put this on the left hand side. Therefore, LHS is equal to q minus r whole by x, r minus p whole by y, P minus Q whole by Z. Already we have got Q minus R. Another thing you note, 1 by D are there as a common factor. That is why we take that outside. First, 1 by D then I put third bracket, then for Q minus R, and there is X, therefore 1 by X within brackets, 1 by Y minus 1 by Z plus 1 by Y into 1 by Z minus 1 by X plus 1 by Z 1 by X minus 1 by Y. Now we simplify. 1 by D, 1 by xy, 1 by zx plus 1 by yz minus 1 by xy plus 1 by zx minus 1 by yz. You see, cancellation, all terms within the third brackets are cancelled. Therefore, 1 by D into 0, that is equal to 0. Here D is of course non-zero. Therefore, we arrived at the RHS part. Therefore, the sum is solved. So the procedure, already I have emphasized on the issue that you try to understand the steps or the thinking through which I am solving. Therefore, the sum is solved. We have to find the harmonic mean between this. Let the harmonic mean be x. Therefore, 1 by 20, 1 by x, 1 by 30 are in it. Therefore, 2 times the middle, 2 by x is equal to sum of the extremes. Now, I simplify this. Therefore, 24 is the harmonic mean between 20 and 30. Next, fifth sum. This sum is, if B be the harmonic mean between A and C, then we have to prove a relation. If B be the harmonic mean in between A and C, then 1 by B minus A plus 1 by B minus C, that is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. This sum. Already I have discussed how to get the harmonic mean between the two given numbers. We can start from that matter also. You can use the formula also. You can deduce that. Since B is the harmonic mean between A and C, therefore 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are in AP. Therefore 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Or 2AC is equal to B into A plus C. Now from this I find the value of B, or B equal to 2AC by A plus C. Now we have to prove 1 by B minus A plus 1 by B minus C equal to, on the right side we find there is no B. For that I calculate the values of this one and this one. Now B is equal to this, therefore B minus A will be equal to 2AC by A plus C minus A, 2AC minus A square minus AC by A plus C. Therefore 1 by B minus A is equal to A plus C by, this will be AC minus A square. If I take A common factor, A plus C, A into C minus A. Again, better I rub this one now. Again, B minus C, 2AC, A plus C minus C. It will be, numerator will be 2AC minus AC minus C square A plus C. Therefore 1 by B minus C, numerator is A plus C and denominator is AC minus C square. Here AC minus C square, here AC minus C square. Now I take minus C common factor here, then C minus A, numerator A plus C. Therefore LHS is equal to 1 by B minus A plus 1 by B minus C. We put the values, A plus C by A into C minus A plus A plus C minus C into C minus A. Then A plus C is the common factor, we take it outside. Also C minus A is common factor, then 1 by A minus 1 by C. Therefore A plus C by C minus A. We simplify, the denominator will be AC and the numerator will be C minus A. Therefore, on simplification, these are cancelled. A plus C by AC. Now, using distributive law of division, it will be 1 by C plus 1 by A. That is the right hand part. Therefore, that is equal to RHS proved.